Introduction. GAMUDA BERHAD is a Malaysian engineering, construction, and infrastructure development company. It was established in 1976 and has since grown to become one of the largest construction companies in Malaysia. The company has a strong track record of delivering large-scale infrastructure projects, including highways, railways, and property developments. In this report, we will provide a comprehensive analysis of GAMUDA BERHAD's financial performance, industry position, growth prospects, risks, and investment potential. As of my knowledge cutoff of September 2021, the 1020 shareholders of GAMUDA BERHAD, based on publicly available information, were: Employees Provident Fund Board, 12.95%. Kumpulan Wang Perseroan, Diperbandingkan, 6.48%. Public Investment Bank Nominees, Tempatan, SDN BHD, 4.68%. Citigroup Nominees, Tempatan, SDN BHD, 4.37%. Amana Saham Bumiputera, 2.98%. HSBC Nominees, Asing, SDN BHD, 2.66%. Kumpulan Wang Amana Pension, 2.61%. Maybank Nominees, Tempatan, SDN BHD, 2.39%. Great Eastern Life Assurance, Malaysia, Berhad, 1.86%. Citibank Nominees Singapore Pte Ltd, 1.82%. Note that these figures may have changed since then, as stock ownership can fluctuate over time. Financial performance. GAMUDA BERHAD's financial performance over the past 5 years has been mixed. In its latest financial report for the financial year ending July 31, 2021, the company reported a revenue of Rm 6.5 billion, a decrease of 19.2% compared to the previous year. The company's net profit also decreased by 45.4% to Rm 364.9 million. The decline in revenue and profit was due to the slowdown in the construction industry caused by the COVID-19 pandemic. In terms of financial ratios, GAMUDA BERHAD's price-to-earnings (P/E) ratio was around 15 as of September 2021, which is in line with the industry average. The company's dividend yield was also around 3%, which may be attractive to income-seeking investors. Industry position. GAMUDA BERHAD has a strong position in the Malaysian construction industry, with a portfolio of large-scale infrastructure projects, including highways, railways, and property developments. The company has a reputation for delivering projects on time and within budget, which has helped to build its brand and attract new business. One of the company's most significant ongoing projects is the Mass Rapid Transit Line 2, MRT2, a 52.2-kilometer railway line that will connect Sungai Buloh in the northwest of Kuala Lumpur with Putrajaya in the southeast. The project is expected to cost around Rm 30 billion and is scheduled to be completed in 2022. GAMUDA BERHAD has also expanded its presence in other countries, including Australia and Singapore, through joint ventures and partnerships. These partnerships allow the company to leverage its expertise and experience in infrastructure development and construction to tap into new markets and diversify its revenue streams. Growth prospects. GAMUDA BERHAD's growth prospects are closely tied to the growth of the construction industry in Malaysia and the region. While the pandemic has slowed down construction activities, the government's commitment to infrastructure development and investment in new projects is expected to support the industry's recovery. In Malaysia, the government's National Infrastructure Plan 2.0 aims to invest Rm 110 billion in infrastructure projects over the next 5 years, including the expansion of highways, railways, and ports. These projects are expected to create new opportunities for GAMUDA BERHAD and other construction companies. GAMUDA BERHAD is also exploring new growth opportunities in other countries. For example, the the company has signed a memorandum of understanding with the government of Sri Lanka to explore infrastructure development opportunities, including the construction of highways and rail links. Risks. Like any company, GAMUDA BERHAD faces a range of risks that could impact its financial performance and stock price. One of the main risks is the pandemic, which has caused significant disruption to the construction industry and could continue to affect the company's operations and revenue. Other risks include changes in government policies, such as changes in regulations or the allocation of government contracts. The company's reliance on government contracts could also expose it to political risks, such as changes in government or corruption. Finally, GAMUDA BERHAD's expansion into new markets could also expose it to foreign exchange risks, as well as regulatory and legal risks associated with doing business in different countries. Investment opportunity. One of the main reasons why GAMUDA BERHAD stock is an attractive investment opportunity is the company's strong position in the Malaysian construction industry. The company's portfolio of large-scale infrastructure projects and reputation for delivering projects on time and within budget has helped to build its brand and attract new business. In addition, the government's commitment to infrastructure development and investment in new projects is expected to support the industry's recovery, creating new opportunities for GAMUDA BERHAD and other construction companies. Furthermore, GAMUDA BERHAD's expansion into new markets, such as Australia and Singapore, through joint ventures and partnerships, allows the company to diversify its revenue streams and tap into new markets. This diversification reduces the company's reliance on the Malaysian construction industry and could help to mitigate some of the risks associated with operating in a single market. In addition, GAMUDA BERHAD has a strong financial position, with a debt-to-equity ratio of 0.32 as of July 2021. This suggests that the company has a relatively low level of debt compared to equity, which reduces the risk of financial distress and increases its ability to invest in new projects and opportunities. GAMUDA BERHAD's dividend yield of around 3% is also attractive to income-seeking investors. While the company's dividend payments have fluctuated in recent years, the dividend yield is in line with the industry average and suggests that the company is committed to returning value to its shareholders. Finally, the company's focus on sustainability and green initiatives, such as the construction of green buildings and the use of renewable energy sources, could also attract socially responsible investors who prioritize environmental, social, and governance (ESG) factors in their investment decisions. Conclusion. In conclusion, GAMUDA BERHAD is a well-established Malaysian engineering, construction, and infrastructure development company with a strong position in the domestic market and a growing presence in other countries. While the pandemic has impacted the company's financial performance, its strong reputation, portfolio of large-scale infrastructure projects, and diversification strategy make it an attractive investment opportunity for long-term investors. However, as with any investment, there are risks to consider, such as the impact of the pandemic, changes in government policies, and the company's expansion into new markets. Investors should carefully evaluate these risks before investing in the company's stock.